Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Don't mind my hair. I just walked from the blistering cold outside. It's like, what is it? My watch is dead too. Hold on. 20 degrees and windy. Yeah. Lovely. I went to Barry's this morning and then I just went to Whole Foods to get $60 of overpriced groceries that are gonna last me 3 days. Lovely. Yes. And we all applaud. Hashtag going broke. I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna go find a cafe, get some work done, and then I need to go furniture shop. I need some lamps. It's getting a little crazy how dark it is in here. Let me show you. This is a really sunny morning. Okay, natural light come through. Yes, now we know why Jay could afford it. And the construction site, you guys were asking for my view. It's literally a construction zone. So you'll see men running amok throughout the day. I wake up and they're just there. I said, hello, good morning, sir. Do you want a coffee? But yeah, I'm actually a little pissed off at the building, but I'm also like, beggars can't be choosers. It's my first New York City apartment. I'm so grateful. But whenever I looked at it the first time, there was like street view right there. Like I could see the street. They just said, yeah, that building's under construction. Well, I didn't ask enough questions because they closed it off. So now I'm gonna be looking in a courtyard. I'm in a fish tank, essentially, but whatever. I'll give them a show. I'll shake some ass. Got this thing from my bathroom. Let me show you. It came yesterday. It came in this massive box. And I was like, if it comes in this big ass box and I still have to put it together myself, I'm throwing hands. I didn't have to do that, thank God. There's like no storage in the bathroom. Like this is everything I needed to find space for. So I got this little guy and it's okay. It gets the job done and it doesn't like ruin the vibe, I don't think. Like, okay, maybe a little, whatever, it's fine. So let me shower, organize, eat a little bit, and then actually scratch that. I now have Wi-Fi and I have a TV. So we're gonna put the TV, I got the TV before the Wi-Fi came and I was like, okay, I can't set that up because I don't have Wi-Fi. So what am I gonna do? Watch TV on my hotspot? No. So I waited. I was a patient little boy. So I'm gonna put the TV together, take these boxes out, and then go furniture shopping. Yay! Okay, I showered and changed, and now I'm in jeans that are actually sweats because I don't like the feeling of regular denim, and a sweater, and we're gonna put together my TV. Enjoy the montage of me struggling to do adult things. Yay! Yeah. Okay, wait, here's my question. Everybody's like, is it a smart TV? Is it a smart TV? Bitch, do non-smart TVs even exist anymore? I think they do. I'm like, okay, like we can stop asking people if they got a smart TV. Does it have Netflix? It's fucking smart. Hi you guys, it is now 6 p.m., 6:30 at night, and oh, tea. I didn't mean to forget about you, but I definitely did, because I just got home. I left at 12 and I was in a cafe until 5:45 doing work and editing videos and getting stuff sent to brands and answering emails and yeah, just work. I don't know. So I was stuck in a cafe it was actually very much a vibe. I had one of the best cookies I've had in forever there. It was 787 Coffee down in Fidei. And then Benton met up with me. I had to help him film an ad. And then, yeah, I chilled there, did some homework. I have a meeting later tonight at 8:50 with one of my professors about one of my classes. And then that's really it for the rest of the night. But I'm about to make myself dinner. And then I got some packages. I got 3 packages. So we'll unbox those. And then do some more homework and lay in bed. And then I'll probably turn on my TV, log into everything, and then chill. When I make dinner, this is what I mean. I mean, make a Kevin's chicken. This is their Korean barbecue style chicken. They're like paleo chickens and it is so good. I think they have other types of meat too. They have like a steak too. I don't know. I'm obsessed with Kevin's. This isn't sponsored by any means. I've been getting these for the past 4 months now probably. And I go through, like, this is supposed to feed multiple people. I eat the entire thing every time because it's so good and I don't know. It's so healthy too. It is soy-free, mild, gluten-free, certified paleo. It does look a little disheartening when you open it first, but it's already cooked, just so we're aware. and you empty it into this, well, you have to drain it. And it's just like pieces of chicken, I don't know. And I still have rice from the day I moved in, which is only like 3 days ago, so don't come at me. But I still have some white rice from that day, so I'm just gonna heat that up too and have like a little rice bowl. It was freezing today. It was like 20 something, like low 20s, windy, which is the worst combo ever. Especially because I have a ton of jackets, but none are like warm winter jackets, okay? Don't let them fool you. I don't buy stuff for practicality, which I need to start doing. Anyway, here's my chicken. We're gonna pop it in the microwave for a minute. Amazing. The chicken's out. Nothing special, nothing new, nothing innovative happened with it in the microwave. But now we're just gonna add some of the sauce. I usually don't add the whole thing, but because I'm gonna add rice today, I will. Now, oh wait, this is much less rice than I thought. Okay, wait, that's probably better for me in the grand scheme of things. Come out. Hello, come out to play. Okay. There we go, yes. Bon appetit. It's just rice and chicken. Nothing crazy, but so good. Okay, wait, you guys. So I finished my meal in like 0.5 seconds, obviously, and I need a dessert immediately, even though I'm gonna get another dessert later. So I have these protein Pop-Tarts, they're like the Legends, and I was eating them wrong. My sister always gets them because they're gluten-free and she's gluten-free. And so she would always get them and she'd be like, no, like they're so good. I'd be like, baby, you haven't had a real Pop-Tart in forever. So like, no, they aren't. And she was like, no, you have to heat it up. I was like, okay, sure, whatever. So I tried heating it up and I'm actually obsessed. Like, would I rather have a regular Pop-Tart? 100%. But for the macros in this thing, I don't even remember what they are. It's like 180 calories for what, 15 grams of protein? I don't know. Pretty good for a Pop-Tart. Anyway, that's my spiel. They are a bit cakey, but the filling's good. This is the strawberry, if you couldn't tell by the pink. Ooh. It's so good. It actually is good, it's just different. Dessert is done. I'm listening. This is, oh, I got this with my mom actually. Sur La Table in Dallas, whenever I was home, was closing, so they were getting rid of everything, and there were some pans left. And I didn't have any nice pans. Ooh. Like, could they tape this box any more disrespectfully to the consumer? Oh, I got it. Ooh, okay, lid. That's a nice, whoa, that's a big pan. Look at her, she my pan. Sure, dishwasher safe. I love a dishwasher safe. Wait, this is bigger than my dishwasher, but I'm glad it's dishwasher safe for when I move in the future. Last pan. Holy chef. Wow, okay. Well, now I have a massive pan bigger than my kitchen, which I love. Yay. Oh, I'm gonna make stew or soups. I've been wanting to start making soups, so this is perfect. Oh, yay, I'm excited. Okay, hey, pans. Anyway, that's my unboxing. Now I'm probably gonna just chill until my meeting and then do that and go to bed. So I'm gonna say goodnight to you now. Good night. Good morning. I just made coffee. It's 4:30. I have solid core at 5, so I'm going to leave here in about 5 minutes. It's so cold out. I don't want to leave. Let me go to solid core. Hi guys, I'm back from solid core. My camera died earlier whenever I was trying to video like a cool morning montage. I turned around and you were dead, so I put I put my second battery in. So now you're charged. That's my story. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Anyway, I found a couch on CB2 that I really like, and I need to measure to see if it fits. On sale. Duh. I've just been laying in bed getting work done and listening to music, and it's been an ideal morning. It's 7:40 now. But this is the couch. It's like a bugle couch. What's it called? But I need to measure and see how it would feel in my space. So let me do that. And I might lay like duct tape down. Not duct tape, but my joints are hurting. Why is it ripping? Holy shit. Why is this fucking scotch tape? Are you stupid? Like, what the hell? Well, my therapist just texted me. Scotch tape, I'm gonna sue you for my mental instability. You guys, this stupid tape, I swear to God, it's 7 in the morning and I'm already pissed off. This fucking scotch tape, look at it. It's tearing. Every like 2 inches, it's tearing. And she understood the assignment, let me tell you. Oh, you can't see. I got it. Out there. Okay, now what's the next measurement? The width, the depth. Oh, wait, that's gonna be no room. Hi, Rusty. Hi. Okay, I'm with Benton. We're filming something.
Hey. $850 to wake up. You don't see how that is.
Or just like wait till I like rise and then walk over. Yeah.
Morning. Thank you. Shot 1 done.
Scene 2 is wrapped. It's the first time Benson and I met. We got coffee and then he was like, oh, let's go here. And we go to this park.
I was overwhelmed with people.
Wait, hold on. It is this park. Eco-friendly. Very earthy. Yay!
What makes you confident? Yeah. Slap me on the face. What makes you confident? Hi, NPC. Thanks for the coin. Butterfly NPC. Thanks for the coin.
Hi you guys, I'm back home now. I just went to the store, picked up some packages. We have to open that and put stuff away. I was gonna do like the aesthetic walk in my apartment carrying bags. I'm not picking those bitches up again. Rice cakes, hangers, which I really needed. And then I spent an arm and a leg on a fucking pan. I have those ones I got, but I didn't have one like this, like just a regular. I got more of these little suckers, these protein Pop-Tarts. They're actually good. And then I got 3 types of Nespresso pods. And then I got more Olipop, my obsession. This is my 3rd pack this week. I've been here for 4 days. That's questionable. Some shampoo. I couldn't find the men's shampoo I liked, so I just picked up that one. French vanilla syrup and white chocolate syrup. A shaker bottle. And that's it. Yay! Woohoo! Okay, haul. Okay, the package is a package from my mom. I was keeping a lot of stuff in Texas until I moved. Or like I had all my packages shipped there while I was in the middle of moving because I didn't want everything to be lost. And so this is a knife set, which I haven't had. I'm excited to have my knives. She's cute. Okay, I'll talk to you after my meeting. I got more of those Pop-Tarts in chocolate, which I haven't had before, so I just heated her up. Tastes like a cosmic brownie, sort of. Look at that, so gooey. I have so many boxes and trash to take out, and then I have to go pick up that food that I delivered, the Home Fresh. My Home Chef package just came, so let's open it. I just met really nice people in the elevator. I don't think they live here, but. My recipes, I have roasted red pepper trout, buttermilk chicken schnitzel, and then I have Parmesan crusted chicken. Amazing. Roasted red pepper trout. This is for the buttermilk chicken schnitzel, Parmesan crusted chicken, my fish and my chicken. Wait, do I freeze these? I'm confused. Should I freeze these? I hate fish, but I wanted to get the trout because I want to start cooking fish. That's all that's in here. Shut up. This fridge has no attention span. Alright, you guys, I've changed. I got this shirt from October Editions, and they sent it, and I'm obsessed. Also, I cleaned my kitchen. Look at how sparkling clean she is. At least my kitchen's done. That's all I really care about. It's the heart of the home. I'm having a coffee and I'm about to make, this is what I'm making. I'm making the Parmesan crusted chicken. I don't know how to turn my new oven on. I already ate most of it, but it was broccoli and this Parmesan crusted chicken. It's actually really good. I'm kind of really happy. And it was so easy. It took like, well, it would have taken the normal person 20 minutes, but I had to record everything 5 times because I kept messing up. It's actually so good. I'll save the second half for my lunch tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna go finish eating this and then get ready for bed. I'll go to bed. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. 5 a.m. solid core once again. And then I have a casting tomorrow at 11. Get ready for that, yay! Good morning. I just finished solid core. It's now 6 a.m. I think. It might be before. No, it's 6 on the dot. 6 o'clock. I just got back from solid core. I'm gonna probably stretch and then get back into bed, to be honest. And watch the news and drink coffee and just kind of read, vibe. I have a casting later today that I'll go to, and then a dinner tonight. But other than that, nothing crazy going on today. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you so much for joining me for the past few days in my chaotic little move. I'm gonna update you guys whenever I start getting furniture and stuff. Like we're gonna do the transformation vlogs. But as for right now, girl, I'm on boxes in a bed, period. I love you. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. Follow me on my other social medias. They're all down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.